Clean water is the source of healthy life, but more than clean water is needed for a healthier stomach. We are always too busy to take care of our health, yet we wish to stay healthy and look good. A good gut is just a tap water away to keep you healthy and looking great. An active lifestyle and healthy diet keeps you fit and might even give you six-packs, but that's not enough. Our water gives you a strong stomach. How about being relaxed? Real peace of mind comes when you know your health has been taken care of. Of course, good food gives you good nutrition and good taste. But our water gives you good digestion and absorption. Health is supposed for all age groups. It should start from young to grown-ups, drinking the best water. Our Alkaline Ionizer is equipped with high-performance 4-stage filtration, advanced water purification with ultrafiltration membrane. It generates 7 kinds of water. We give you more than just clean water. Alkaline ionized water improves gastrointestinal symptoms. Its full-color LED screen with slim body design. A good gut gives you a good mood and a good life. Our water purifier gives you more than just clean water.
Panasonic.